This magazine is written by Ismat Riaz. I am Pakistan and I am Shahzad Ali Khan from Khan Squash Tips Channel 2024. Pakistan Sporting Heroes Squash. Pakistan has excelled in squash and achieved top honors international for more than 5 decades. The national sport is hockey and cricket. Both are very popular in Pakistan, but it is in squash that the country has achieved phenomenal fame. Since 1950, Pakistan won over 30 British Open titles and 14 World Open titles. It's my grandfather Faizullah Khan, a slow grandfather of Jahangir Khan. The game of squash. The game is played in a 4-walled enclosed space with a racket and rubber ball. It is played by 2 or 4 players who hit the ball or alternatively on the marked areas of the 4 walls of the squash court. Squash was first played in 1830 at Harrow School in London, UK. It was a sport played at elite schools and exclusive men's clubs, but is now played at world-class level. The governing body overlooking squash is the World Squash Federation. Jahangir Khan of Pakistan was elected president of the World Squash Federation from 2002 to 2008. Hashim Khan, the pioneer. After independence in 1947, Hashim Khan became the squash coach to the Pakistan Air Force. The Air Force officers were so impressed by his skills as a squash player that they sent him to compete in the British Open Championship in 1951 with their own funds. Hashim Khan won the British Open title, beating the 4-time winner, Mahmoud Karim of Egypt. Hashim Khan continued his winning streak by winning 7 British Open titles in 8 years. He finally lost to his own cousin Roshan Khan, Jahangir Khan. Jahangir Khan's prowess in the game of squash has become legendary. He won his first title at the age of 17. He won 6 World Open titles and 10 British Open titles and has made Pakistan proud. He is acknowledged as the greatest squash player of all time in the world from 1981 to 1986. He was unbeaten in 555 matches consecutively, the longest winning streak by any athlete in top-level professional sports as recorded by the Guinness Book of World Records. The government of Pakistan honored him with the award Pride of Performance and Hilal-e-Imtiaz for his achievements in squash. They also awarded him the title of Sportsman of the Millennium. Jamshid Khan. Jamshid Khan won the World Junior Squash Championship title in 1986 and Senior World title in 1987. His winning streak lasted over a span of 15 years. He was awarded the Pride of Performance in 1988. Satara-e-Imtiaz in 1993 and Hilal-e-Imtiaz 1997, and the last one Nishan-e-Imtiaz 2023. Next, activity time. We are the world champion in squash. Match the achievements of the following players to their names. Azam Khan – British Open 4 times from 1959 to 1962. Roshan Khan – won British Open title in 1957. Mohibullah Khan – won British Open in 1963. Kamar Zaman – won British Open in 1975. Jahangir Khan – won World Open 6 times and British Open 10 times. Jamshid Khan – won 8 Open World and 6 times.